Okay, so now we're going to talk about we're going to talk about we'll talk about initializers for classes and structs. And we're going to talk about references versus by reference versus by value. So let's get down to it. First of all, let's talk about I guess let's talk about polymorphism and inheritance. Okay. You have to understand these concepts are here to reduce code replication, right? Inheritance and polymorphism are the result of the concept of code reusability. Inheritance allows you to create a class, a child class, from a pre-existing class, a parent class, and you can receive its pre-existing methods. I'm going to show examples of that. Polymorphism, on the other hand, kind of it overrides and overloads methods, properties, and initializers. These are important things to take into consideration. And done properly, this facilitates code reuse. So let's just jump into this, okay? And the reason why I touched upon that is because you have to kind of understand those concepts before you start talking about code initializers. What are code initializing is, or object initializing is basically setting the properties in an object as you create it, right? You have to set those. So if you have a car object and you have to set a make, you have to give it a make. You have to give it a model, whatever properties that it has. You have to set a value for those properties. Miles per gallon, you might have to pass a string or a float, or a custom enumeration. So, which is what we're going to use here. So let's get to it. We're going to use cars. Okay. Model. Okay. Case AMG, AMG, case, GLC. These are type of Mercedes Benz. Okay. A class case. Hurricane, HURACAN, hurricane case. Aventador, AVENTADOR, case. CN, case. MODELX, case. MODELY, case. MODEL3, MODEL3. Okay. Those are all the models, right, that we're going to be talking about. Make. We need our objects are going to have makes, right? So case LAMBORRGHINI, Lamborghini, case. Mercedes, case. Tesla. Okay. And battery charger, we're gonna BATTERY. Battery charger. So I mean, because we want to purchase a battery charger or do we want to rent it? And then so now we are creating a car object. Okay. In this case, we're going to use a class, or discuss the difference between classes and structs earlier. What properties do cars have? we have a make of type what? Make var model of type what? Model, right? Just like I did before. Price is of type string. Price string. Okay. So now we need initializers, right? The basic initializer for this car will work like this. Init, sorry, make of type make model. First of all, it's make, not mate. Model is of type model. Price is of type string. Self dot make equals make self dot model equals model self dot price all right equal price. Okay. So now we have this. Everything seems to be working. Let's go ahead and this initializer works. So now we're going to talk about a basic convenience initializer in this project, right? So this is the basic initializer. In this case, I can make a car object, right? Let's just do it. Bar. Lambo. Because this car is going to be what? Right here. Right. Make Lamborghini. Make dot Lamborghini model dot Aventador is a model. Price 300,000. Okay. And so now this is working. Well, now, so that's just one property, right? So now we can do it like this. The convenience initializer makes it so that you can set the value, but you can set it sorry, without adding all the properties, right? So it's done, a lot of the property stuff is done within the initializer. It's make, type make, right? So now we have this. So now we can go ahead and set everything else. Switch, make, case, Lamborghini, right? And I can say self.init. All right, it was Lamborghini, self.init, right? And you can say .Lamborghini, .model, Aventador, price. 300. I'm gonna say do this. $270. $270,000. right? Right. Case dot Mercedes self dot init dot Mercedes dot GLC dot price 70 case, and then we'll say case Tesla. Tesla. Self dot init. Jesus Christ. Uh, Model Y, and then $75,000. So this should, yeah, this is everything. So now I have multiple. I can create, let's say, Mercedes. Var Mercedes equals car, right? Make. Jesus Christ. Car, make. And now if I go and say Mercedes dot price, Mercedes dot make dot model dot price, Mercedes dot model dot price, print Mercedes dot model, print Mercedes dot price. As you can see, it's already set. So we did the basic convenience initializer, and we did a designated initializer. This is a designated initializer, basic initializer that you make to instantiate your objects. Convenience initializer, you're only going to pass one of the properties, and we have logic to take care of the rest. So again, convenience initializer, designated initializer right here, convenience initializer at the bottom. So that's it for now. And there's more initializer stuff that I got to show you. On to the next.